It's totally the kids era right now. Everywhere you look, baby podcasts are trending. Tiny little faces saying big things. Even Donald Trump has gone viral as a baby. And the coolest part, you can make these videos too, super easily using just a few AI tools. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn a simple video into an awesome baby podcast, totally on trend. So make sure to watch till the end because this idea isn't just cute, it's actually pretty smart too. So to make an example baby podcast, I'm using this one video. First of all, I'll download this video and after that, I need screenshots of these two characters. So I'll take screenshots of the still faces from this same video. And then I need Donald Trump's baby face. So today I'll use Sora image generator to create the image. So after coming to GPT, I'll click on Sora. So once you are here, we'll click on the plus sign and here we'll add Trump's screenshot image. And in the prompt box, we'll give a prompt. I'll add this prompt in the description box. Basically, it's just a prompt to create a baby face. So you can see that in just a few minutes, I got 4 images generated and all 4 images are really amazing. So in the same way, I'll convert the other character's image into a baby face too using the same prompt. And from these, whichever image I like the most, I'll download it. So now in the next step, I'll go to a website where you can separate audio from a video and convert it into MP3 format. So I'll put the link in the description box of this website. So I'll simply upload the video here and download my audio. So our audio is ready and the images are ready too. So now we just need to put both of them together into one video. So I'm gonna use Hedra AI for that. So once you're on the website, just click on video. Then go to the audio script section and click upload audio and upload your audio here. Then in the start frame section, go to the upload image option and select your image. If you want to write something, you can type it in the prompt box. Like I'm writing here, simply talking. Then select the aspect ratio as 9:16 and generate the video. So this way, I'll generate all my videos. You can see how amazing the result is.
You'll be your own street lamp. You're freaking.
And is that a good feeling?
No.
So it's not even good during what?
So that's it. Our videos are ready now. We'll just download our videos one by one from here. And finally, let's move on to the editing tool. So here I'll arrange all my videos. You can see I've already imported all my videos. My video aspect ratio will stay 9:16. I'll arrange my videos one by one. So here I copied the same video once and you can see I overlaid it on top of the other one. I brought the lower video to 9:16 ratio, gave it a blur effect and converted both into a compound clip. This process is totally optional. So all my clips are arranged now. It was pretty simple job, nothing difficult at all. And now I'll simply export the video and to add subtitles, I'll head over to CapCut. There I'll use the auto-generate subtitles option. Then I'll export my video. So our video is ready now. Let's go and check out the final result.
I've been in recovery most of the last 10 years.
How did you get addicted?
No, I would just do cocaine. That was really,
That's down and dirty, right?
Yeah, it started to make me feel like I was a mechanic or something.
So you're way up with cocaine more than anything else you can think of.
Cocaine will turn you into a damn owl, homie. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You'll be out on your own porch, you know?
Yeah.
You'll be your own street lamp. You're freaking.
And is that a good feeling?
No.
So it's not even good during what would be normally the good time, in other words. Oh, wow.
So you saw how I used a trending idea and AI tools to create an awesome baby podcast. And this trend is really hot right now. Everyone's making shorts like this everywhere. So if you want your videos to go viral, grow your channel and take advantage of this trend, start right now. Like, comment if you have any question and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new trending tutorials. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.